Welcome to J&J Auto contest video of SYCA298. Today we have a beautiful 2000 Cadillac Escalade, finished in a Summit White with a shale interior. Very special, very weird GMT400 model. 159,000 miles on her. Traded in California. Such a shame. Trucked this thing all the way over here. It's dirty, but it's absolutely rust-free. 5.7 liter, running great. Oh man, the hood light even works. What a unit, an absolute treat, guys. Let's check out the rear, why not? She's dirty. We will steam clean all of this, get it looking basically new before we list it for sale. All the OEM floor mats back here. Shale barn doors. I mean, just all sorts of good stuff here. Well, let's step inside and test some parts. Master window switch. All the doors are working. Power mirrors. Cool. All right, that's how it's working. AC, I've already tested that off screen, nice and cold. Seats are going to be sold tracks. Trying to figure this out. How do I recline this silly thing? Basically, we're going to be selling tracks on this thing. The front seats are just a little bit too rough. 4L60Es, only got $159 on it. Goes right into gear. Reverse as well. A little bit of stumbles here. I think this thing's been sitting for a bit. She runs good though. Makes good oil pressure. Nothing coming out the tailpipe. So overall, I think she's going to be a winner. Guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto contest video of our 2000 Cadillac Escalade. If you guys are looking for some super rare GMT400 Escalade parts, head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Bitcoin saves your wealth, Jesus saves your soul, seatbelts will save your life. Make sure you got all three. Thanks for watching.